Hi, this is the Nokia 220 and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first open the settings, then scroll down to select the system, tap to call settings, select it, and scroll down to Blacklist. Select the blacklist, and here you'll see it as all of the available numbers in your blacklist. And just to unblock them, tap on the left upper button, click to scroll to remove number, select this option to remove this number from the blacklist. OK, and now we could see that the number removed successfully. By the same way, you could remove all of the numbers in your blacklist. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.